10 crucial times you should scan your body with Reiki. Many people underestimate the power of scanning their own body with Reiki energy. But regular body scanning isn't just a spiritual check-in. It's a vital tool for self-healing, emotional balance, and energetic hygiene. Here are 10 key moments when doing a Reiki body scan becomes essential, ranked from most to least critical. 1. When you feel emotionally off or unstable. You're moody, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed for no clear reason. Reiki scanning helps locate blocked chakras or emotional congestion and clears it gently. 2. Before and after sending Reiki to others. Healers often absorb subtle energy from others. Scanning protects your energy field and clears any leftover or intrusive vibrations. 3. When physical symptoms show up without explanation. Fatigue, tension, random aches, or headaches that don't seem to have a medical cause. Body scans help you sense areas of energetic imbalance or hidden stress points. 4. After an argument, emotional shock, or stressful event. Breakups, grief, conflict, or work pressure can leave emotional residue. A Reiki scan releases trapped emotions and soothes your energy centers. 5. When you feel disconnected from yourself. You're unsure what you want, feel off, or emotionally numb. Scanning helps you reconnect to your body, heart, and intuitive signals. 6. Before meditation or a Reiki session. Preparing your field before deep practice enhances receptivity. Body scans clean the space and amplify your inner awareness. 7. When you're not sleeping well or having nightmares. Restless sleep, frequent waking, or unsettling dreams. Reiki scanning clears energetic disruptions, especially around the heart, belly, or third eye. 8. First thing in the morning to start fresh. Like brushing your energetic teeth. Reset and refresh before facing the world. A 5 to 7 minute scan reboots your energy and sharpens focus for the day. 9. Before bed to release the day. After social interactions, screen time, or heavy emotional processing. A Reiki scan clears away energetic dust and helps you sleep deeper. 10. When your intuition says something feels off. You can't explain it, but you just know something's out of sync. A scan gives clarity and helps you spot what needs care before it becomes a bigger issue. So next time you feel off, don't ignore it. Your energy body is always talking. A Reiki body scan is how you learn to listen.